So you have your half sphere here, and you just select which faces you want to make windows out of. Now, for ease of thing later, you can inset them just a bit. You can then just, that's inset, you instead with the letter I on the keyboard. Then you're gonna extrude them. You extrude with the letter E, then you can scale them down a bit. That's gonna send them to the center of the sphere. You can see how it's going over here. Then you're gonna manually press Alt and Shift and wait, no, wrong button. You're gonna switch to select mode, press Alt and Shift to select the loop here, and you're gonna go through and select all the loops, all of them. Yeah, you have all of them selected, yes. Then you're gonna press Shift E, and this is called mark as sharp. Mark as sharp basically just means that when you subdivide the thing, as you can see here, it's not gonna smooth it out. It's gonna stay blocky. So in this case, when I subdivide this, it's not gonna be smoothed out, keeping it a nice hard edge and a window-like bottom bowl. You can see here how it ends up looking. It's not that different to what you made, but it's a bit better on the geometry. Gives us nice, smooth, you know what.